Hello everyone, this is part 2 of my video, Top 10 Products Discount. In this video, I will show you how to add the field elements to enhance the lookup as well as add more details to the report. So this is part 1 of the Top 10 Product Discount. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check it out. Now, part 2, first I will add a title to this report here. And I'm going to use the card visual. Then I will add a measure to this card over here. And I already have a measure saved in the top end options table, and it's called top end label. This is the formula of the top end label. Basically, a text concatenate with the selected end measure and then the words discounted products. Let's check it out, see if it works. Go change the top 5. Next, I will add a total discount. Like these are the top products, and what is the total discount of these top products? So I will use the same visual card and then create a measure, name it this top end product is equal to basically check the sum of the list ACV, which is the same as the total annual recurring revenue, and then minus the total net price, which is the sum to store over here. So that gives me 1000.26. And then next, I will add another card over here to show the average discount of these products. The same thing, I'm going to use the card visual, and then the measure is going to be, I name it percent discount top end product. Actually check the um, discount top product, which is this one over here, and then divided by this ACV, which is the total ARR. That gives me the percent. So let's kind of take a look at show this over here, right? To see if it works out okay. So I'm gonna drag this ACV, which is the total ARR, 1,637, and then also drag the field sales over here, which is the total net price. So you can see that 1,637 minus 379 is equal to 1,026 something, right? Next, I will do a timeline over here to make it easy for the user to filter it. So it's the same thing. It's actually using this chiclet slicer, right? And with this over here, I drag the order date field from the table store, drag it to this visual. Just want to make sure that the filter here, we can do order date top end, just put maybe about 30 by discount value percent, right? And then uh, another filter over here, want to make sure at the visualization section, here you can see that there is a group. You can group it however you want it, but I want to show, let's say, see minimum value is from January 2020, which and then up to December 2021 because I have 2 years of data over here, and then the bin size over here is actually I group it by 3 months, 3 months, or like 1 quarter, right? So 4 months per year. That's going to give me this. So let's see if this really work out fine. Change it a little bit. Uh, I'll remove it. So this is change a little bit, right? So let's add it back. And uh, also, one other thing that will look good is this over here. I copy this table and then paste it. In other words, make a duplicate visual over here. Then in the duplicate, which is right here, instead of like using the table visual, I use the line visual. So I have a line chart over here, right? So you can play around to see which one you like better. Cluster column chart maybe. Hmm, doesn't look good. So let's move back to line chart. And it's the line over here. You can see this show top 10 products discount analysis. On this axis is the discount percent, right? And then this axis is showing the products. You can see the products over here, and the curve is going down like here. So that's pretty much the report for now. And last but not least, just be sure to format all visuals. When you want to format a visual, you just click on that over here, visualizations, format. You can format to your preferences, whatever color, fonts, or whatever number that you have over here. So before wrapping up my presentation, I also want to show another visual. Uh, this one is actually I'm using the word cloud over here. This is the word cloud visual, and you can just click on this visual, and then um, I have a table over here. The name is sheet. It's actually right here showing the reason why the company is winning sales. And really based on the occurrence, for those of you who are already familiar with word cloud visual, you can see that uh, here functionality is the, the predominant reason why the company is winning sales. So this wraps up my presentation. If you like it, please check out my other video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.